When it comes to choosing a CRM that integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace, the question of whether Teamgate or Copper is the better choice is something many businesses are trying to figure out. In this video, we'll dive deep into both CRMs, comparing their Google Workspace integration, and I'll share which one is truly worth your time, along with a better alternative I've found after testing them both. First off, let's talk about Teamgate. It's known for being a user-friendly CRM, but when it comes to integrating with Google Workspace, it's a bit of a mixed bag. Sure, it integrates with Google Contacts, Calendar, and Gmail, but the process can be clunky at times. Some users have mentioned syncing issues, especially with Gmail and Google Calendar, which are key tools in most businesses. While it's not a deal breaker, it's definitely something to keep in mind if you need flawless integration. Next thing, let's compare this with Copper. Copper CRM, on the other hand, really leans into the whole Google Workspace ecosystem. It was built with Google's tools in mind, so the integration feels more native. You can sync emails, calendar events, and contacts in a more seamless manner compared to Teamgate. Copper even uses Google's machine learning to help automate tasks like data entry. The Google Workspace integration with Copper is smoother, but it comes at a higher price point. So while it may offer a better experience, it's something you'll have to weigh against your budget. The third thing to consider is ease of use. Teamgate has a simpler interface, which some businesses may prefer if they're looking for something quick and easy to set up. It doesn't overwhelm users with complex features, and the Google Workspace integration is pretty straightforward, even if a bit inconsistent at times. Copper, however, is a bit more complex, but that's because it offers a wider range of features and deeper integration with Google's ecosystem. If you're a team that needs advanced functionality and a more professional setup, Copper may be your best bet. The fourth thing, support. Both CRMs have solid customer support, but Coppa's is known to be more responsive and helpful, especially with issues related to Google Workspace integration. Teamgate does have support, but some users have reported slower response times, particularly for more technical issues involving the Google Workspace tools. Now, after trying both of these CRMs, I have to say they're both solid choices depending on your needs. However, if you're looking for a CRM that works even better with Google Workspace and is easier to navigate, there's actually a better alternative that I highly recommend. If you're interested in a CRM that integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace and offers a more comprehensive and intuitive experience, I'd suggest checking out the free trial linked in the description below. With this trial, you'll get the best features and exclusive benefits that are available only to our viewers. Overall, Teamgate and Copper are both solid options, but after testing them myself, I found that the alternative I'm recommending will truly help you get the most out of Google Workspace integration. You'll want to take advantage of this free trial, especially if you're looking for something that works flawlessly right out of the gate. Check out the first link in the description for the details.